UMengameli uCryil Ramaphosa uzosheshe abuye emngcwabeni wendlovukazi uElizabeth ukuzobhekana nenkinga yogesi ekhungethe lelizwe. UMengameli ubehlele ukuthi uma kuphela lo mngcwabo asuke eLondon alibangise eNew York eyoba yingxenye yomhlangano weUN ukuguquka kwezinhlelo zakhe kulandela ukuthi Eskom iqale ukusebenzisa isigaba sesithupha sokucisha konga ugesi ukusukela izolo emva kokuthi kufe amaziko ayo amabili. Eskom iphoqeke ukuba isebenzise ustage 6 sokucisha konga ugesi nosengokwesibili ke ukwenzeka selokhu kwaqala inkinga yogesi kulelizwe. Ithi lesi sigaba sesithupha sizohlala kuze kube kulungiswa amaziko ayo afile. Isikhulu esiphezulu Eskom Henry Director uthi ngesikhathi kufa amaziko ayo aphehla ugesi lenkampani ibicabange ukusebenzisa isigaba sesibili sokucisha konga ugesi ebesolokhu ke siqhubeke njalo esikhundleni sokusebenzisa isigaba sesithupha kodwa ke lesi sinyathelo asibange sasetshenziswa.
We've looked at this and we don't think that if we have, for example, stage 2 load shedding on a continuous basis, that this will buy us significant additional headroom that we will be able to use both from a financial point of view, a contractor capacity point of view, as well as from the perspective of Eskom staff and their bandwidth to carry out their daily jobs and carry out all of this maintenance at the same time.
Usihlalo wekomiti lasePhalamende elibhekele ezamagugambi wayo uthi ungabibikho kopholo obuqothe Eskom yikhona okwenza ukuthi ingakwazi ukwenza umsebenzi wayo. Usahlule Luzipho uthi lezi izathu ezilokhu zishowe iEskom zokuthi kufe amaziko ayo ziyishoba nje lokuziphungela.
The excuses that Eskom is giving absolutely do not make any sense. I've always said we live in the world of IT. We talk about fourth industrial revolution. Why would you continue consistently to have problems, technical problems of maintenance? Because that's what Eskom is telling us. They are absolutely hopeless and helpless. They can no longer be able to assist in terms of maintenance of the entity, which is Eskom. There is no way you can tell me sitting in this day and age, you can't have even something that rings to you that a particular unit is almost facing a particular threat.